Want accurate and perfect fit measurements, and everyone wants their clothes to stand out and look very beautiful and neat. So hi everyone, my name is Ovili, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to take accurate body measurements step by step. So if this feels like something you would want to learn or something you're interested in, why not sit on tight as we'll delve into the tutorial. There are two types of measurements. We have the length measurement and we have the round body measurement. So these measurements, they are very important for us to get a fit. So unless what you're making is bubble gown or anything free, measurement is very important, and the way you take it determines how well it will go. So we're going to start with the back measurement, which is taken from the bone part of your back. So if you touch the back, there's a place that is protruding like a bone. So you take from that end to that end, like you see me do right now. That is how to get the back measurement. So after that, we're going to be taking the length measurement, which is gotten from the nape of the neck down to the bust point, like you see. So this is the bust point. The bust point is gotten from where the nipple is at the breast. Then you take it down to the under bust point, like you can see on the video. And also, you don't take your measurement side by side. You take it from the fullest part of your bust. This is what gives accuracy in your measurement. So for the waist, you need to tilt so that you can get the right measurement. So the way you see us tilting right now, that is how to get the waist measurement. And when you check, you see a part go deep. That is where your waist is. And it's best you tie a tape around it so that it can actually hold, and you know, okay, this is the point that I'm taking it for. With time, of course, you gain mastery, but this is how to take the waist measurement, and you take it from there to the waist. Right now, that's how you get your waist measurement as well. So after taking the waist measurement, you can go down to take your length of your blouse and also to the full length of your measurement. So depending on how you want to take the measurement or the kind of fabric you are sewing, that is how you take the measurement. And also, there is also round body measurement. You take your bust measurement, which is your upper bust measurement, the above your bust. That is how you get your upper bust measurement, and ensure that these measurements are not too tight and they are not too loose. Because if it's too tight, there will not be ease for your client to actually move freely, and if it's too loose, the cloth will lose its fit. So this is how you do it, like so. And also, you take your bust measurement, which is gotten by taking the fullest part of your bust. So this is how you take your bust measurement. It is gotten from taking the fullest part of your bust. And as you can see at the back, that the line is straight, so it's not that it will go down or it will come up. So allow the line at the back and the front to be accurate for accuracy in measurement as well. So I'll go ahead and take the underbust measurement, the round underbust measurement. This is what will help your underbust to stay firm and fixed. So this round underbust measurement is also essential. Then we'll go ahead to take the waist measurement as well for your waistline. And remember we said, and we'll go ahead to take also the hip. The hip measurement is gotten from the fullest part of your hip. You know, the hip is curvy, so some parts are bigger than some. So that fullest part of your hip is how you take the hip measurement. So like you're seeing me do right now, this is how to take the hip measurement from the fullest part of your hip. And what I do that helps me, I usually, after measuring my full part of my hip, I usually go down and go up to see if my tape on that very particular measurement should actually slide down and slide up with ease, right? So that when the client sits, stands, there will not be difficulty in motion. So that is why I take this part like that. So you can totally do the one that works for you. This is what actually works for me. So this is what I usually do. So I'll also go ahead to take the my depth, my length depth, right? So it's cutting from your waist down to the fullest part of your hip. So when you hear, okay, I took my hip depth 9, 8, this is how it is cutting. So depending on the body size, your hip depth actually varies. And also the arm length measurement as well, which is can be taken like so. And also your round arm measurement, so you can just take your short arm length, any length of your arm you want can be gotten like that, the way it is right now. And also your round arm measurement, which is which determines the width of your sleeve on your body. So this is how to take the round arm measurement, and also your the fullest part of your arm. So any where you want your feet, you measure, even if it's your wrist, then you measure it accurately so that it could fit. So this is basically it for all the measurements, right? So ensure that your client is not shaky or wavy, which is very essential for a good measurement and a good fit. So if your client is shaky, it will cause obstruction, and also focus on the back measurement. Now the back and the front are usually not the same. So you ensure that you take your back measurement for your half length and also your front measurement for your half length. So in subsequent tutorial on how to make a basic body pattern, I will show you how to eliminate this distance between the back and the front measurement. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next video. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe and share so we can reach out to more people. So next time, bye.